What is azelaic acid and how can it help regrow hair on the top of my head? Welcome back. My name is Matteo and this is my hair regrowth journey. I'm currently taking the FoliGrowth Follicular Performance serum by Advanced Trichology, as well as their DHT blocker with Immune Support. Week 2. Not much to say with regards to new hair growth or more hair loss. What I did notice this week is that my dry scalp, my itchiness has subsided, which is good, and a tiny bit of, say, oiliness on my scalp, which is a good thing. I'm assuming it comes from all the oils and the ingredients from the Foligrowth, since I put that once daily at night. So what is azelaic acid? Why do they put it in the Foligrowth? Here's why. So azelaic acid is a naturally occurring acid found in grains such as barley, wheat, and rye, and it has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, which make it effective, I'm reading, in treating a variety of skin conditions, including inflammatory types of acne and rosacea. In our case, it helps because it is a very good DHT blocker. So that's why it's in there. And for those of you who are new to that term, DHT is dihydrotestosterone, which is a hormone associated with hair loss, especially for people like me that have a suspected androgenic alopecia. So the azelaic acid, in addition to being a DHT blocker, it's also an antimicrobial and an antioxidant, which I'm assuming is partly why I'm feeling a lot better. I don't have the itchiness on my scalp. It does say it reduces inflammation, warding off scalp infection and dandruff. So big ingredient. I'm very happy it's in the Foligrowth, and I'm assuming that's why I'm not having the constant itchiness that I used to have just a couple of weeks ago. So that's my update for this week. And for those of you looking at my hairline, I'm not noticing anything necessarily new. Again, this is a 3, 6, 9 month journey. I'm glad you guys watch this. If you like what you see, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, if you want to let me know what your hair journey has been, whether good or bad, leave a comment below, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.